So it's been an incredibly challenging 2020. We've got World Mental Health Day coming up, and one group I'd like to think about would be mothers who are experiencing difficulties with their mental health or who may be anxious, particularly first-time parents. And of course, by extension, that is something that can affect their partners and their loved ones. Pregnancy can be an anxiety-provoking time at the best of times. And in 2020, there are restrictions in some cases as to who can attend scans, so partners might not be there, and in some cases, potentially not even being able to attend the birth. And there's concern about COVID-19 and cleanliness and hygiene. Antenatal groups are not happening in the same way. Some of them are running virtually, and some of the groups that mums would attend in the postnatal period are also not happening. So to give one example, I know some mums enjoy doing yoga classes, and those may not quite feel the same if they're running virtually. So I think it's really important, if we know anyone who is experiencing pregnancy, if we know anyone who is going through pregnancy, particularly for the first time, it's important for us to try and support them as best as we can. And little acts may just make a big difference. Listening to them, helping them to feel positive about this experience. I think it's really important for mothers to be not to focus on the things that are out of their control, to take things day by day, and also not to compare how things might have been, but to focus on how things are and to find sources of enjoyment in the day-to-day, and really just to look forward to what is a special time for them.